Alright guys, and welcome to part 3 of building our website. I walked you through the Twitter settings, and I guess now we'll just go ahead and go through the Facebook settings as well. So you'll click on that, and I have Way Network app and all that stuff like. Okay, I have one. I actually have one. Okay, so let me go back to this. Remember, I always tell you press Command or open the thing in a new window. Okay, so you'll go to Facebook. Okay, as you see, I have one, but I'm gonna do another one. Okay, add a new app. Select the platform to get started. Website. Okay, choose an existing app or name. Let's call it The Way Church. Okay, so we create a new. Is this a test version of another app? No. Choose the category. Let's put business, whatever. Create app ID. Alright. Okay. So you'll create it. Okay, so this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need the app ID, which is this. Copy. Which sorry, I lost your thing. Game options. Hey, you guys take him. So you go to your thing, give you the Facebook app ID. You click that here, paste. Then this is gonna connect your copy. Secret, paste, save. Okay. Now you got your Facebook and your settings on. Okay, and it's gonna ask you any miscellaneous things like that. The 404 page content, you can add something. Hey, what you looking for? You can't find it. Haha. Whatever. If you have Google Analytics, which this is not a marketing class, this is a develop your website, build your website class. But however, you'll copy and paste your Google Analytics code, which gives you the analytics from Google of your website, and so on and so forth. You're gonna press save. Okay. So now we have some of this stuff done. Now we're gonna click on themes. Then let's click on customize and kind of see how it looks now. Okay, as you can see, we changed the color of the website, and when you click on each and every one of these, it's gonna have the connection to our website on there, right? And of course, right here, you can switch these out with some beautiful pictures of your ministry, or if you want to keep this, you can just, when we go in there and make that, we'll work that out, okay? So that'll be great. Coming events, no. Now you have a home page. Okay? So, oh wow, okay. So yeah, well, now we're gonna have to decide what type of menu, okay, that you need to have, and all that. So let's see. Let's see what these time menu is for mobile. Time menu. Anyway, I'll show you how to go in. What was it? I think that was. Okay. And so this I have demos. Oh, this chat is something else. I got a lot of menus and stuff like that. But anyway, we're gonna make a custom menu for this. So as you see, your memo will go here. Now, if you have a logo for your church, you can upload it, and it'll you can't see what I'm doing. Your menu is gonna go across here, so we're gonna go and make that. And then if you have a logo for your church, you can put it up here. You can put words or whatever the case may be. Okay, so this kind of gives us a view of how it looks and whatnot. So it's not kind of like your traditional drag and drop. This is more. It is a little more advanced, but however, it still has drag and drop features. That's gonna give you a wonderful website. Okay, but you already you know what I'm saying. You already gonna start some stuff. Okay, so they have your all that yin yang right there. So let's work this. Let's exit out of here, and we're gonna work on this home page here. So to find the home page, well, first let's work from the top down. Go back to theme options. Remember, you have this option or you have this option. Okay. And I'm trying to see. Let's see, color. Okay, that should be. Now, if you want your address there, let's say our address is 777 Jesus Way. Jesus Way Drive, Dallas, Texas, 75216. Our phone number is 777 which is our number. Okay. And again, you can take the favicon off. Yes. We don't want that F because it's not our favicon. I'm not gonna go and make one. I should, but I'm not gonna make one today. Okay. And so I'm gonna use this one. Okay. And again, if I click on customize, for some reason my Jesus Way ain't showing up there. Or whatever. You can go in and fix that because it's probably me. Alright. Now, next thing I told you, and I don't like the way the number came up there like that, but it gives you the address and phone number as well. And so now we're going to do our menu. So I'm going to go to menu, and under this menu, I'm going to create a new menu, and then I'm going to call it my menu. You can call it whatever you want to. Okay? So we're going to create the menu. So what, okay, we're going to make this a main menu and also the mobile menu. So this the features the mobile menu has as well. Okay. And so these are the menus that I want to have. Oh, those are to the people. Not us. Jesus. Alright. So what I want to have is a for you all. Okay. I want to have the home page menu. I want to have the I think this is it. I want to say that's it, Lord. One of them is one of the home pages. I want to have the sermon archive. I want to have my staff. I want to have upcoming events, and you know, our locations if you have multiple sites. I want to have a contact form. I want to also have a shop, which means I gotta install WooCommerce and all that stuff like that. We'll do this. Well, I guess we'll do that as well. So we can show you how to do that. Okay. Go to add. Oh no, I need that. Okay. So I'm gonna add these to my menus. So you have a home page, our locations, sermon archives, the shop, staff, and leaders. Okay, and I want the shop at the end. I want our locations kind of at the end as well. I want the home page. You can make this as a sub menu, or you can make this as a thing. It's depending on what you want to. Okay, and so we're gonna save. Now once we save that and we hit refresh over here, you should be able to see now our menu bar is coming together. Okay, again, you can change these to any colors that you want. Okay, so when you click on the home page, that's this page right here. I believe that's the right page. Okay, is that when you do your staff and leaders, you'll be able to put pictures of your pastor, your whoever. So your staff and leaders, this, that, or the other. And then when they click on here, they'll be able to click on their biography, and there's a page for the home staff, all that stuff. And then there's, Amy Miller, who she is, so on and so forth. It's already ready for you to customize this and so on. So again, click on the staff leaders, or yours may say senior pastors and so on. And I'm going to show you how to go in and edit this, so you can, your deacons, whoever. You feel what I'm saying? Okay, so you got that. Then you have a place for David. Then you have a place for your sermon or archives, or you're gonna be able to put in your sermons and all that stuff like that, so people can come and they can go. If they want to watch it, if they want to do it, whatever. Then you have upcoming events, and it's gonna tell you about the events that's coming up, where it's gonna be at, how often, all that stuff like that. That's there. Our locations, you can put where your location is, where you're located at. You may put a map, all that stuff like that. Then if you have a shop which has products, maybe t-shirts or whatever the case may be, you'll be able to do that there. So now let's get into how to edit this stuff. You're going to click on pages. Once you click on pages, you're going to click on homepage, and I'm going to say, yeah, so that's on the homepage. As you know, I have, I do a lot of websites, so sometimes I forget to take off stuff and all that. Alright, now this gonna load up. However it's gonna load up. Hello, guys. Okay. Now you can choose to have alright, slider to display. This is the slider that's on top of the page. Okay. When you these are the blocks. Those 3 blocks right here. Click on it. Okay. As you see, this is that slider thing, and we're going to go and fix that. We'll start with first thing first. We need to edit the slider, since there's a slider right there. Now, when you go to that slider, I think it's called Revolution or Slider or something like that. Let's edit slides. I'm just going to use the pictures that are there. So we're going to edit this slide. And once we do that, you see on where it has them things, and it's like a powerful theme for churches and all that stuff like that. And then you can put whatever you want here. You can put welcome to the Way Church. We love you, or something like that. Okay? Update it. Now you're going to need to move this over. Why? And then or you can have, let's say if it's a conference or something, you can have some type of banner, you know what I mean, that say that, or whatever the case may be. You can make this stuff in Photoshop, make it however you want to. It could say anything, you know. It could say senior, you know. Let's say if you want to just put, you know, senior tech girl, and senior bachelor tech girl, you know, whatever, you know, whatever. So we can put way church. David. Tech girl. Okay. And once you do that, and you refresh it up here, you know, like I say, you can adjust it to whatever, to however you want. And if you want it, like, let's say if you want it coming in a certain way, you can, you know what I'm saying, you can do that. So it's just what you want. Okay. I mean, I need to go change my battery. Okay. So anywho, you can do that and just say update slide. Okay. Now 2 slider settings, because I gotta go get my charger. And okay. David, stop it. Church content right here. So we're gonna edit slide. Same thing. But now it has links and all that stuff like that. So support search thing, add events, all this stuff. So right here where it says supports, okay, and this on here you can put, this is what I would do. I would put contact any of our staff. Keep up with upcoming events. Okay, or something like that, whatever. Then connect or something like that. And we'll do that, you know, where it says contact. Oh Lord, I put too much words. Okay, so as you see, I need to adjust it. Stop, David. With the Way Church family. Okay. Now, keep up with the Way Church family. And these are buttons. And so wherever the buttons go, you just put, you know, where the buttons go. And you'll be able to click, like for sermons. Like this has sermons right here. So you would put the sermons, right? And you'll put HTTP just right here. You put where it go. So it's just right here. That's all you need to put. The HTML button is here for you. Don't erase that. Just wherever. So if it's HTTP forgiven /sermon almost, when they click on it, it's gonna go there. Or for example, since we're doing it within, oh my God, I'm doing it within this things. So when I click on sermon archive, local source. I don't want to put this. Okay, if I put localhost on your website, it'll be www. whatever. and I put sermon archive. So mine would be localhost. This page right here. So on the inside of this, mine would be. I'll just put this. And mine is localhost. This, that, or the other. That's where the sermons would be at. Again, don't erase this because then you're gonna erase your button. Alright. And then we update it. And I'm just gonna put that up there just to show you. You can go through and do it yourself. So now, as you see, that is up there, and I didn't really want that on there. But okay, home page. Now when I go to home page, it'll say Way Church Senior Pastor Tech Girl. Oh wow, isn't that beautiful? And then it's gonna go to the next slider. It'll go to it by itself or however, you know. And it'll do what it do. And normally it goes to it by itself. And then you'd be like, and then it says keep, and as you see, keep up with Way Church family. You know, and you should put something different right here. Da 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 da. And you can click on sermons. When you click on sermons, as you see, it went to my sermons page. And when it clicked on the sermons, it go to where, you know what I'm saying, my sermons pages. So now we're creating a beautiful website. Okay. So I need to go get I need to go get my charger. As you see, I only have 6% battery. So part 4, we're gonna finish this home page, and then you'll get the gist of it, and you're able to build your own website. God bless.